Alright, YouTube. Oh, my lens kind of dirty. I have this nice truck here. Just recently bought it. I thought I can tow with my rake over there, but two-wheel drive, and sometimes you go to a big, traffic, like in the parking at the lake, and you couldn't find a parking. You try to make a U-turn, then you need a four-wheel drive, right? So this thing is a two-wheel drive. This thing can tow that thing, had no problem on a flat road or climb, anything like that. But to a muddy or to a place that there's no parking space and you have to make turn or any stuff, you can't do it with this two-wheel drive. So this is very nasty. They got a dog in here. I took the seats out, and you can see that this is, I clean already, okay? Believe me, I vacuum already, and still have a whole bunch of dog hair right here and stain all over the place. So I don't want the next guy to get a dirty car like this. I can get it, no problem. For me, I have no allergy to dog hair or anything like that. But for me, I have to clean for the next guy who bought this car. Okay? So I took the seats out, and the back seat here, I will take them out and clean it too, to make this new. And only a little stain here and there, but after I clean it, you will see this is like brand new. I'll show you the other side. So this side have a lot of stain. You see that? Dog hair all over the place, and brown right here. Not sure why I have this right there. Very sticky here, and probably cannot get out at regular. If you pay somebody $200 to get all of this out, you will never get it. But I'll show you a way that you can get rid of all this right here. Very easy. Okay. I will take the back seat here to wash too, and I will take the carpet out to wash too. Okay. And my floor mat is dirty, super dirty, and I will make it new again after I clean it. And the passenger seat is not too bad, kind of dirty a little bit, but it's okay. Driver's side got dirty right there, and the seat here is kind of dirty, okay, and that dirty right there. All of this had to be brand new when I finish it. Okay, I didn't show on camera how to take the seat, but it's very easy. The seat is only 4 bolts holding it, and I take the central seat belt out too. So remove all this. Okay, both sides just come out, because that's snap the cup right down. Okay, I'm going to private this part trim. Pop this out. That's easy. There's money right there. I'm rich. Okay, under here you have a screw also, because this screw is holding the clip down here. You have to take this clip out. Okay, this is the bolt down the back here holding the seat, and then the 12 socket. Okay, and a couple more over here, so you take them all out. Okay, so as soon as you take all the 4 bolts in the bottom, just take the seat, lift the seats up, and take the seats out. Okay, there's a clip holding it. Pretty easy, huh? The clip they're holding here is using maybe a screwdriver or something sharp nose to pry this little clip out, and from here just pull the carpet down. Yeah. Down the back here, just pull the carpet down like that. So when you do this way, there's no way you will have like an allergy to dog or cat, because everything is clean out, you know. So many times carpet cleaner, they will never do this right here, and they use vacuum only. Wet vacuum shampoo, that it doesn't work, because the carpet still have a lot of sand and hair stuck in there. So when you take this way out, it will be clean completely, like new. If you wonder what I use, this is the DeWalt with the Honda motor on it. I'm not sure how many cc on this. I think it's about 270 cc. I'm using the 25 angle nozzle. If you use a 15, I think it's too much power. You can destroy almost everything. 40, I would say 40 is good too, but a little bit more to wire spread and cannot take most of the dirty out. Take longer on that, but this is, I would say, the best. Okay, and I just picked up this one today, and this guy's selling on Facebook for $650, and nobody was touching it. So for a week. And he posted for 600 even. So I give him a 580. I think it's pretty decent. It's brand new, pretty much. Not sure why they put it into the auction for cheap price and he bought it. Probably he paid for like 300 bucks, you know. But to me, I think this is good enough for 580 bucks. In the past, I have the electric one, about 1800 psi. Take me forever, because today I cleaned 2 cars, and I take 2 cars, and I also cleaned this carpet here, and with all the seat here, and the main carpet over here, and this is the back seat on the Tundra. You can see this is very new now, and no stain at all, like a brand new now. And this is the floor mat. Okay, this is kind of like a color into it, so can't really remove. And this is the passenger side one. It was like yellow and grease, like oils in there. and couldn't take it out, and I cut this little bit right here. You can see the feather right there where the compressor hit it. Okay, so pretty clean. And this is the driver's side. So all this thing is come off already. So if I take to detail, they may not be able to get exactly what I done here. And I do a lot of compressor wash like this in the past. I don't have the high PSI, but I use the 18 PSI, 1800 PSI on the electric one. Still coming pretty good, just like this one right here. You know, still like this, but take a long time. If I do like this much, it will take 2 days probably on the 1800 PSI. But on this, it take me probably like 4 hours, straight 4 hours. So we'll let this set for maybe 2-3 days until it dry completely. Then I will put in the car to see how it looks. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's review after the cleaning, deep cleaning. So you can see there's no stain on this seat. Carpet is pretty much like a brand new. Okay, stainless. And you can see through that. The second seat, this seat right here, the back seat here, I just step on it, it got dirt right here. And very, very nice. See that? How clean it is on this seat right here. Let's see the other side. Okay, let's drop it down. See that? Perfectly clean. I don't know how you can feel it, but when you go to a new car, just like that. So pressure wash is one of the best cleaning that you will never imagine. If you think about steam cleaning and, you know, suction cleaning is clean, there's no comparison to a pressure cleaning like this. Okay, and I know that I have a friend that who doing detailing for living, and they're still impressed about, you know, pressure wash cleaning, because you can see that my carpet here was oil and black. Okay, on this right here I almost got everything, but because this is color to the carpet already, and I still have some little bit brownish right here, but that's nothing, because if you see, I will do a comparison before and this, and that is like terrible oils in there. Okay, and now you can see this is super clean. Okay, so hey, you can do that at home. If you don't have a pressure washer, I recommend go renting one from Home Depot, and or low, or wherever your location has it. Minimum is a 3000 psi up. Okay, the reason I use 4000 or 3000 and up, because that reduce your time, because I have the 1800 electric one. Take me forever because it's like a nozzle only, you know, little tiny nozzle. That's take a lot of time. And when I use the 4000, the spread is like this palm. Okay, and you compare it to like that to a palm, is like about 10 times faster on the big compressor pressure washer. Okay, all right, so let me put the carpet to see, you see the carpet, how clean the carpet too. Okay, this is my carpet, and I've been washed, and that is clean carpet. Okay, so now it's way different than before. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, how to clean your carpet, how to move your, you know, seat, all that stuff. And I know a lot of work, take 3 days. The last 3 days is pretty decent weather. It's about 80 degrees, and take me 3 days to dry this thing up. Okay, because right now it's a long day, 7 o'clock, still have good sunlight, you know. So for 3 days, so you'll see it's dry. So here you go, and you can see that from, you know, this seat is dirty and now it's like new. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys next project. Bye bye now.